Begin by applying your styling product with your hands. Rub it between your palms, then work it from roots to ends, making sure the hair is evenly coated. This gives you the foundation for a smooth, controlled ponytail. Next, use the Fede fine-tooth comb. Its precision teeth detangle while distributing product through every strand. Its wooden teeth offer gentle grip and maximum control, perfect for slicked back and tension styles. If you prefer a softer finish, you can switch to the Leo wide tooth comb. Leo will still create a slicked back look, but the wider spacing leaves more natural texture and movement, making it ideal for a looser, wavier style. For a tight ponytail, use the Fede comb. Smooth with the wide side, then flip to the fine teeth for tension. Comb straight back as tightly as possible at the crown, make a sharp turn and comb straight down for a polished, crease-free finish. Once the surface is smooth, secure the ponytail tightly with a hair tie. Finish by cleaning your wooden combs with the Dada Nylon Brush Cleaner. Its fine nylon bristles reach deep between the teeth, gently lifting away product buildup, oils, and residue without scratching the surface. Regular cleaning keeps your combs performing their best, preventing buildup that can transfer back onto clean hair. Consistent care also preserves the natural wood's smooth finish and durability, ensuring your tools stay beautiful and long-lasting for years to come.